Hello engineers, welcome to Civil Nirman. Lot of engineers are still not aware about the companies, where they should apply for the jobs, which skills they need to develop for their better career in structural engineering. Still they feel this particular career is underrated. Now see, only learning softwares will not help you out in shaping your career. You should be aware about the job responsibilities, skills and information about the companies as well, which will lead you for your better career. So here we are back again with the information on the multinational companies which are doing in-house engineering. So let's get started. Now, before we jump into this particular topic, if you are here for the first time, I want you to recommend this particular 3 topics that you should refer first before starting this particular session. So in the previous 3 sessions, I have already discussed in detail about structural engineering, various fields which are active around the world or around the globe, where you can apply for your better career in structural engineering. Also few tips for the beginners. And in the second and third session, I have discussed list of few multinational companies based on EPC. Now, to understand all these terms, you should visit all these 3 lectures. And in this session, we are discussing list of multinational companies which are doing in-house engineering. So the first question that comes in your mind, that what is in-house engineering? Now before jumping in this particular topic, I just want you to understand about the project phase, right? So execution of a project for an industrial facility consists basically 3 main activities. First one is engineering, second one is procurement, and the third part is construction, which are followed by commissioning and startup, that you should aware first. Now see, engineering designs the facility, produce the list, specifications and data sheets of all the equipments and materials, and issue all the drawings required to erect a particular plant. Procurement purchase all the equipments and materials based on the lists and specifications prepared by the engineer. And last but not the least, construction part, right? So construction basically erects all equipment and materials purchased by procurement as per the drawings and in accordance with the specification produced by the engineering part. Now see, usually in order to complete all these activities, a client, or let's say a owner of the processing plant, hires others, right, in order to complete all these activities. See, usually most of the companies which are in oil and gas industries who develops a manufacturing or processing plant, they will provide engineering work and these construction work to some other third-party engineering companies, which we have already discussed. Now let's understand this through an example. Let's say we have client A, or let's say owner A, who is investing his money or wants to develop a particular industrial plant in a particular sector. Now, in order to construct this particular plant, they have to go through all these 3 phases, right? Starting from the estimation, engineering, procurement and construction. Now they will float a tender, and based on that, companies which are working for this particular phase, they will bid for this particular tender, and based on the lowest bidding, they will hire a particular company in order to complete this engineering part, right? So in-house engineering means the client or owner itself has its own engineering division who will work out all this particular engineering and procurement phases. So I hope now you are clear. So that's called in-house engineering. So here now we are discussing list of multinational companies which are doing in-house engineering, and most of them are currently in the list of Fortune 500. Now let's get started. So in the list, the first one is Aramco. I have mentioned the website as well. You can check out the information You can check out more information on their website too. Now Saudi Aramco, officially the Saudi Arabian Oil Group, or simply Aramco, it's a Saudi American public petroleum and natural gas company based in Tehran. Now see, as of 2022, it is one of the largest company in the world by revenue and has repeatedly achieved the largest annual profits in global corporate history. Saudi Aramco has both the world's second largest proven crude oil reserves, which are more than 270 billion barrels, which means 43 billion cubic meters, and they have largest daily oil production of all oil producing companies. Saudi Aramco operates the world's largest single hydrocarbon network, the master gas system. Basically, it is headquartered in Tehran, but its operation spans the global and include exploration, production, refining, chemicals, distribution and marketing. Currently, I have specified all the regions where this particular company operates. You can check out the list here. Now if we specifically talk about India, they have offices in the Gurugram region in India. You can check out the other list like for America, Asia and Europe, which are mentioned over here. So number second, ExxonMobil. This particular company is engaged in the exploration, production, transportation and sale of crude oil and natural gas, and the manufacture, transportation and sale of petroleum products. Now the company holds exploration and production acreage in 38 countries and conducts production operations in more than 23 countries around the world. Now ExxonMobil is basically a merger of Exxon and Mobil in the 1999, and this particular is also works with a division which provides plastics, synthetic rubbers and other chemical products. This particular ExxonMobil is headquartered in Hudson suburb of Spring. Now since its merger varied from the first to 10th largest publicly traded company by revenue, and it has one of the largest market capitalization out of any company. Now as of 2022, in the most recent rankings released in the Fortune 500, this particular company was ranked 6th. So you can imagine how large the company it is, right? In the upstream level, they are involved in the oil exploration, extraction, shipping and wholesale operations. Here I have specified all the regions where this particular company operates, from North America, Europe, Middle East, North Africa, South Africa and Asia Pacific. Now if we talk about the India region, they have offices in Bangalore, Mumbai and in the National Capital region. You can check out about this particular company's more information on the following website. Number 3, Chevron. Chevron Corporation is an American multinational energy corporation predominantly in oil and gas. This one is the second largest direct descendant of the Standard Oil and originally known as the Standard Oil Company of California. So it is headquartered in San Ramon, California and active in more than 180 countries. Now within oil and gas, Chevron is vertically integrated and it is involved in the hydrocarbon exploration, production, refining, marketing and transportation, chemical manufacturing and sales, also in the power generation. So this particular Chevron manufactures and sells a range of high quality refined products including gasoline, diesel, marine, aviation fuels, premium base oils, etc. This particular company operates in the following regions. You can check out the list here. Also, if I talk about the India, they are operating from Chennai in India. On the number 4, we have Air Products. Now Air Products and Chemicals is an American international corporation whose principal business is selling gases and chemicals for industrial uses. Now, Air Products headquarters in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Also, it is the 10th largest employer in Leahy country. Now see, Air Products is one of the example which also doing in-house engineering. So since 2018 they are operating for the engineering part as well in India. So in India they have offices in Pune and Vadodara. From there they are operating their engineering part. Now if I talk about the company part, Air Product is awarded a 12-year $287 million contract from NASA to supply the liquid nitrogen to the United States new space shuttle program. The company makes Fortune 500 listing on the strength of 1 billion in sales. Basically, Air Product serves customers in technology, energy, healthcare, food and industrial markets worldwide with atmospheric industrial gases, mainly oxygen, nitrogen, argon, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Also, they produce refinery hydrogen, natural gas liquefaction technology and equipments. You can check out their website for more information. Now if we talk, they operates in more than 50 countries with 22,000 employees operating in this particular firm currently. They operates in Europe, Asia, Middle East, and if I talk about the India region, they are operating from Pune and Vadodara. You can check out their website for more details. And on the number 5 we have Linde. Now Linde PLC, that is Public Limited Company, is a global multinational chemical company founded in Germany and since 2018 domiciled in Ireland and headquartered in the United Kingdom. Linde is world's largest industrial gas company by market share and revenue. Now it serves the customers in the healthcare, petroleum, refining, manufacturing, food, beverage carbonation, fiber optics, steel making, aerospace and many more sectors. So basically this particular group has more than 1,000 process engineering patents and 4,000 completed plant projects till now. The product range includes air separation plants, ethylene cracker units, liquefied natural gas and natural gas processing plants, hydrogen and synthesis gas plants, chemical plants, cryogenic plants, and list is many more. And we have so many lists further. You can check out their details on this particular website I have specified over here. If I talk about the region part, Linde Engineering designs and builds large-scale chemical plants for the production of industrial gases including oxygen, nitrogen, argon, hydrogen and carbon monoxide, as well as large plants associated with the processing of natural gas, LNG, liquefied petroleum gas and the manufacture of olefins. Now the engineering division develops the process plants in the engineering, procurement and construction business worldwide. If I talk about the region, they are operating in North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia and Australia. This particular company is operating in more than 100 countries, and if I talk specifically about India region, they are operating from Jharkhand, Jamshedpur. In Gujarat we have the offices in Vadodara, in West Bengal, Kolkata and Mumbai. You can check out their website for more information. So I hope this video helps you out. Share this information to all the engineers who wants to build their career in structural engineering. As I said, still people are thinking our structural engineering career has limited scope, but as I have discussed to you, you can imagine all these industry, all these multinational companies are already there in our Indian region, and I have specified all the list as well. So you can crack your career in such a multinational company to build your career in this particular sector. So stay tuned for more updates. In future, I will be sharing all the category of the structures and how the execution of such industrial projects works. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't just learn software, learn concepts. Thank you.